Welcome to Team Curran's workshop for installing our SynSisal products. The purpose of this video is to give you a basic overview of how to install our product using the double stick method. Before getting started, you will need the following recommended tools available. Using the prescribed seaming tape, begin laying out your tape along your seam chalk line, ensuring it's adhered to your padding. Next step will be spreading our glue adhesive. Like before, it's important that the teeth in your trowel are clean and are cut to proper width and depth. Use your trowel to carefully spread glue near and under the paper edges of your seam tape, but not on top. Continue spreading adhesive, covering the entire surface that will be receiving carpet. You will repeat this process to the entire flooring surface after setting your seam. Allow the adhesive to dry to tackiness. You may use fans to expedite this process. Always check with the manufacturer's recommendation on the adhesive label. You can test that the adhesive is ready by performing the fingers test as shown here. If the adhesive creates legs, you're ready for the next step. Next, you'll begin placing the material into the adhesive. Once again, using a carpet core or 30-pound roller, press the material into the adhesive and padding. It's important to ensure that there are no bubbles in the material and everything is completely flat. Begin unfolding your other side, carefully matching up your seam. Slightly folding the material and creating a small bubble on the side will help to create a clean seam and match up your edges properly. We recommend using a hot glue gun to add additional stability to your seam. Carefully run your glue gun along the seam, adding a small bead all the way down. Finally, use your Kool Glide or preferred seaming iron to complete your seam. Utilize a pinwheel roller and weight along the seam as you go to help set the weaves together and clean up your seam. Finally, use a carpet core or 30-pound roller to press the material into the adhesive and padding. It's important to ensure that there are no bubbles in the material and everything stays completely flat. An optional step to assist in cleaning up certain weaves is to carefully go over your seam with a sharp pair of shears to trim and stray fiber and give your seam a clean and finished look. Finish the process by cutting in your perimeter and adding contact adhesive to all cut edges to prevent fraying.